Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto photos and choose one photo where you want to blend. And then to add next image, tap onto tools button right here. Then tap on to double exposure right here. After that, choose one of these options and add another photo, just like this. And after adding it, now you need to blend it. Now to blend the photo, simply slide the slider just like this. And you can also choose one of these edits, just like this, to blend the photo. Now you can see the photo has blended. Now you can also adjust the size just like this. And that's it. This is how you can blend two images in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.